Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a monitor without using an HDMI cable. We'll explore various adapter options and their specific requirements. You'll learn about the best ways to achieve high-quality visuals and sound, even when traditional HDMI isn't available. Understanding these alternatives will help you set up your gaming station efficiently and effectively, ensuring a smooth experience. One of the most reliable methods involves a USB-C to DisplayPort adapter. The PlayStation 5 has a USB-C port that can output video, making this a straightforward option. Look for an adapter that supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz to maintain excellent visual fidelity. Simply plug the adapter into your console and then connect it to your monitor's DisplayPort input for a clear picture. If your monitor only has DVI or VGA inputs, you'll need different adapters. For DVI, an HDMI to DVI-D adapter works, but remember DVI does not carry audio, so you'll need separate speakers. VGA requires an active HDMI to VGA converter, which can sometimes introduce slight input lag. Both DVI and VGA connections generally cap your resolution at 1080 pixels. Since non-HDMI connections often don't transmit audio, you'll need an alternative. You can connect external speakers or a gaming headset directly to your PlayStation 5's USB ports for sound. Additionally, some active adapters, especially for VGA, might require an external power source to function correctly. Always review the adapter's specifications to ensure it meets your setup's power and compatibility needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.